If you're looking to grow your real estate business through social media this year, this is the number one tool I would invest in. I'm Amanda, a real estate agent here in Northern Virginia. I've been in the real estate industry for well over 15 years, and this channel is all about growing your real estate business without ever making a cold call or knocking on a random door. If that's something that interests you, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I release a new video every single week. This is the number one tool I would invest in if I were looking to grow my real estate business through social media. It is ManyChat, and the good news is it won't break the bank. ManyChat is such a great tool to not only leverage your time, but also enhance your client experience. So let's talk about it. Why is ManyChat so powerful? The number one thing that I love about ManyChat is it makes you available 24/7. And I don't mean that in that you personally have to be available, but from a client standpoint or a lead standpoint, ManyChat is able to deliver what that person is seeking immediately. And this is helpful for the times that you aren't working, but it's also really helpful for the times that you are so slammed, you're running around showing houses, you're on listing appointments, and you simply can forget to respond to your DMs or to your comments on your social post. ManyChat completely fills that gap, and it delivers the lead exactly what they are asking for immediately. This is such a huge impact on your business when it comes to actually converting these leads. We want to think about social media as sort of the top of your sales funnel, and it's where people are getting to know, like, and trust you. And then when they raise their hand to take you up on one of your offers, you want to be able to give them exactly what they're looking for as soon as possible. And that's what ManyChat does. The other thing that I love about ManyChat that has really helped my business grow is that we always have to remember social media is rented land, for lack of a better term. Any of these platforms could go away tomorrow, and even if we've built these massive followings and we have a community that's engaged and likes us and trusts us, it could all go away if these platforms shut down. So keep in mind, when you are growing your business on social media, you've got to make sure that you are putting systems in place to capture people's contact information. Email is how I like to nurture leads that are coming in through social media. It's a little bit longer nurture process when they are responding to some type of lead magnet that I'm offering versus if they are sending me a DM. So ManyChat, when they are signing up for this lead magnet, it is allowing me to then collect their name, email. I ask for phone number, but I don't require it. And I do that with a landing page through Flowdesk. So I'm essentially moving them from Instagram to ManyChat to then Flowdesk. And then I have a nurture sequence set up so that I am able to keep in touch with them and then hopefully convert them into a client. The next thing I love about ManyChat is how efficient it allows us to be with listing promotion. Promoting your listings on social media is great, but it really helps you build your brand more than it does actually sell a property. You need a component when you are marketing your new listing and promoting it that allows people who are interested to get more information. We can only put so much on social media, and people have a really short attention span there. So what you can do is write your caption and then include a keyword in there that you have set up on the back end of ManyChat, which I'm going to show you all shortly, and then deliver them that more information. It could be the virtual tour. It could be a longer property tour video. It could be more information about the features of the property. There's a lot of different things that you can deliver, and ManyChat is what allows you to do that seamlessly. It will send them a DM with exactly what you've offered to them. And not only does that save time, but it also allows you to see who is specifically interested in your listing versus just broadcasting out on social media and hoping that someone takes the time to then reach out to you directly to get more information. Okay, last perk of ManyChat before I show you my ManyChat account and take you for a quick spin around the park is ManyChat is extremely cost effective. I'm on the Pro plan. It's $15 a month. It is money well spent. You can't find very many tools that only cost $15 or so a month that delivers the value that ManyChat does. Just from a time-saving standpoint alone, I think ManyChat is worth every penny. I do have a discount code for you all in the description. If this is something you're interested in, you can check that out. And now I'm going to show you the back end of ManyChat. Okay, so here we are on the back end of my ManyChat account.
And I'm not going to go too far down the rabbit hole of everything you can do. I just wanted to give you an idea of what it looks like and mainly how user friendly it is. I'm in the ready to go templates section. This is the one that I use by far more than any other because I'm looking to get engagement and generate leads on Reels for the most part on my Instagram account. So I'm going to pop right into this quick automation template, and you can see right here how easy this is. You can link your prompt to a specific post or reel, or you can do any post or reel. I'm just going to come here to a reel that I posted a little bit ago, click next, and then for this one, I would say keyword would be, let's say, market report. And then if someone comments with that, it will automatically deliver them the market report that I'm offering in this case. Come to next, and then this is what the DM would say. You can always change all of this, no problem there. And then you just include the link right here. I'm not going to go much further because this is an older post of mine and I don't really want to set up an automation. But this is really how easy ManyChat is. Once you get the hang of it, it will probably take you no more than 5 minutes to set everything up for your automation and then automatically have the information being delivered to your leads on demand.
To recap, ManyChat allows you effortless lead generation, makes you available 24/7 even when you're sleeping, creates a seamless client experience, and it's cost effective. Oh, and it also helps you leverage your time. ManyChat is definitely a win in my book. If you have any questions about it, drop it in the comments below, or you can DM me on Instagram. You'll find me at Amanda S. Davidson. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.